Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving the Windows error code 0x8096002a, no error descriptions available. So typically occurs when the file you are trying to extract is corrupted, and commonly, reasons on this error can arise due to corrupted compressed files, incompatibility between the compressions method used and the extraction tool, or a missing or outdated driver related to the extraction process. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to scan for malware. All you have to do is open up on a search menu. So here at search for apps and then type Windows Security and then click open. So once you open up this Windows Security, so here at left side menu and then click Virus and Threat Protections. And then on right side and then you need to select Scan Options. So here at Scan Options, so we have 4 options to choose to scan for malware various. So we have quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and then the last one, the Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So you need to select this Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. And then next step, and then click scan now. Alright, so once it is done for scan now, and then close this Windows Security. And the other solutions we will do is to use the third-party extraction software. So all you have to do is to open up on a web browser. So here at searching address bar, and then you need to type this win, R-N-E-R. Alright, and then press enter. And then you can see here the WinRR. So WinRER, and then click this WinRER download. So click that one. And we are redirected already here at WinR homepage. So all you have to do is to download or install this. So click this download. And then click this agree. And click this download. Alright, so wait to complete the installations in downloading these WinRR third-party extractions. So once you download or installed already, and then click this link and then click yes. Alright, so click install. Okay, so click this OK and click done. So once it's completed for downloading and installations, then use the newly installed software to attempt file extractions. Alright, so and the last solutions we will do is to run the SFC and DSIM scan. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu and search for apps and then type CMD, or this is called the command prompt, and you need to right click and then tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then tap yes. So once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, we need to enter this command keyword dsm /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then paste in here. Use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B to paste and press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100% with a couple of minutes. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc /scan now. So in all small letter and then slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. beginning verifications phase of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100% in a couple of minutes. And finally, verifications 100% complete. So after completions of administrator command prompt, and then you need to close the CMD and here at start menu, and then you need to restart again. So tap this restart. Alright, so that's it guys. And this is how to fix this error code 0x8096002a during file extractions in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.